Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
How she wants to act bougie, okare nadlala hard to get Mpumela nali busy, Ashiana momrachachachek. Unfortunately, he doesn't do that, hey?
yo guys. Kule scene uterelo behaved njengalamantombazana aloyayo, like nabazali abangani abaloyayo abasile abanenhliziyo ezikhohlakele. And I think I get her point. She's at a point where she's trying to push amahle away until amahle azathi mina ngeke ngisakhona isibindi so ngicela ukuhlangana nawe. She's at that point like uthi uzuhambe intombazane, and wesembo amahle uzithulele nje ukwazi ukuphendula lapho nalapho nokushinga nokukwata, kodwa ngathi ukulwa nje akakwazi ukuyela or mhlambe umyekile. But honestly, I just hate the way Uterelo is moving. I just hate it. I hate the fact that she gets a chance to bully these girls, akhulume nabo the uyafuna ukukhuluma nabo, and then hide it ngokuhleka, smiling and doing all that shit. I mean, this is a chance to get along. Like banise ku vacation. Why don't you guys get along? Now last njengoba baye ku vacation novuyokazi, ugirl bekaloku abhiza snacks i-trip yonke, uvuyokazi waze wamthatha wayena-ibhadala wathi, can you please just enjoy, be nice to each other? But still girl insisted. Warunegazi libi le ntombazane. But I guess we all now see why Umpumelelo chose to go and alobole u-Amahle kuqala, and then bekazozagqina ngobheka umama wakhe, because if ever bekafuna ukushada ubheka umama wakhe bekazoqala ngaye before aze ahlangane nano Amahle. So le side chick abayibiza ngoTirelo might as well continue to behave like a bitter side chick. Angazi or uzitshela ukuthi uNdlunkulu she'll control everything around this family. It's like izingane zesithembu is now boring because everything is about Mpumelelo and Tirelo, Mpumelelo and Tirelo. Abanye abantu iy'mpilo zabo asazi ukuthi zenzakalani ngazo. Abompilo enhle, like silalela impilo kaMpumelelo. Kahle kahle kumele nje ibhalwe lisho ukuthi asizi ingane zesithembu. It's living with the Mpumelelos or living with Sibindi Msele, something like that, and the wives or the wife and side chick. Izinto kanjalo. Because asisayi-enjoy izingane zesithembu, akusaseyizingane zesithembu, akusaseyizingane nje at all. Iy'ngane nje with eldritary affairs. Into esingayisho nje la. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Mina siyangi-traumatize nje le ndaba yey'ngane zesithembu nalo Tirelo wabo. Sibhizi sikhuluma ngoTirelo, kuyasa nje usikhombisa inhliziyo yakhe embi nje this time. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.